This was me on a weekend, turning and mixing jollof rice as if my life depended on it. Don't blame me, yo. You can never go wrong with party jollof. And as a foodie that I am, I died there. Now, let me take you to the genesis of how I made this party jollof for my mom's church anniversary. Do not doubt this because this jollof was so nice. See, as people were asking for it, immediately I put up the gas. And this wasn't the only food available. We had semo and Efo-riro, otherwise known as vegetable soup. Gbogbo ayé. Let's start with the preparation of the proteins, which started on a Saturday. This is fresh fish, popular with food vendors. We also got loads of chicken. Guys, you will not believe that a carton of chicken now is selling for 45,000 naira. Something of 11,000, 12,000 before. Now, wow. Before we finished prepping the proteins, it was late in the evening. The fish went straight to frying and the chicken was ready for some spicing. I added lots of sliced onions, seasoned cubes, curry and thyme, ginger and garlic. I added salt as well with some chicken spices. Then I mixed well and allowed to cook. All the ingredients I used to achieve this event will be in the video description. So don't worry, guys. After cooking, the frying began. The men were also ready to kill the ram. Afterwards, it was cut into smaller sizes and prepped for cooking. I started seasoning the meat here. You can see me seasoning all the meat here. Remember, all the ingredients I use will be in this video description, so do well to check them later. By the time I was done, I mixed well and cooked for about an hour or more. Then it went straight into frying. You see, by the time I was almost done frying this meat, it was around 1 a.m. In fact, I can say cooking for few mouths is one thing. Cooking for many mouths is another ball game on its own. By after 6 in the morning, we already got up to finish the good work we started. So I focused on the jollof rice while others did semo and the vegetable soup, otherwise known as the original Efo-riro, the party Efo-riro. Now guys, this is where it gets interesting. I began by pouring the vegetable oil on fire. After that, I added sliced onions, lots of them. Then I added tomato paste. Then my mom came to greet me. That's my mom, guys. That's Iyatobi. Where was I? Okay. I mixed the combo together. When it has already changed the face and I was satisfied with the look and the aroma, I added the pepper blend into it. The pepper blend consists of fresh tomato, scotch bonnet, cayenne pepper, otherwise known as shombo, or chili pepper. Then I added loads of onions. I mixed together for a perfect combination. Guys, by this time, it's making sense to me. Yeah, please do not forget to like this content and also follow my channel for food, kitchen inspiration, and market tour back-to-back videos. I love you. This time, I added chicken stock into it and what follows are spices and seasonings. I used thyme, nutmeg, jollof spice, seasoning and curry. I pour it into the pot. I equally add dry bay leaf. I added some seasoning again and I mix again. I mix it very well. Okay, by now, I added water to blend with the jollof stew I was making. I was also using my experience to gauge the water. I further added extra spices because this taste has to be perfect. Let me quickly show you how the semo unit is doing. So nice. Look at the semo now. By the time I was ready to pour in the rice, I had to reduce the water a bit because I had zero idea of the kind of rice they bought from the market. The rice was looking somehow to me. I was just trying to play safe. By the way, you can check how I make jollof rice in a small quantity later by clicking on the video popping on your screen. I tried to pour the rice in and it was too heavy for me to lift, but my mom assisted me. Make I no go break my waist on top rice matter. When we successfully poured it in, I lifted the rice a bit for easy blending with the water. I had to cover to cook. By the time I opened again to check, I realized everything was set. I didn't even use the sauce water I removed from it the other time because the rice was already soft. I just used the turning stick to make sure the ingredients are well combined. I cover and allow to simmer on a low heat. For extra flavor and shine, I added margarine and onions. I allow it to melt a bit and I mix it with a big turning stick for the last time. The aroma from this jollof just announced itself. People were really eager to eat it immediately, and the feedback, it was positive all the way. I mean, if I cannot cook jollof, what do I gain? I proceeded to dispatch it bit by bit into the cooler. Let me show you the Efo-riro my mommy made. Oh, look at it now. My lovers, that was how we took care of everyone at the anniversary. Thank you for staying to the last minute of this video. Subscribe to my channel for more food, kitchen inspiration, and market talk content. Do take care of yourself. I love you. I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.